36 update now on yesterday's mistrial in the federal trial of former Louisville police officer Brett Hankison. As ABC affiliate WHAS 11 reports, a new court hearing is now scheduled for next month for Hankison. A judge declared a mistrial yesterday after a jury deadlock on civil rights charges against Hankison in the Breonna Taylor case. Investigators say Hankison fired 10 shots into Taylor's apartment, but none of them hit Taylor during the police raid that took her life in 2020. Alexis Jones has more.
After 4 days of deliberations, the jury in the Brett Hankison trial was unable to reach a verdict, leaving loved ones and attorneys disappointed but eager to try again.
U.S. attorneys from the Department of Justice did indicate that it is their intention to retry Brett Hankison in this case again.
A shocking announcement just moments after a federal judge declared a mistrial Thursday. Lanita Baker, Breonna Taylor's family attorney, from the beginning watched the trial. She's confident this won't be the last time Hankison is in the courtroom.
Mistrial is not an acquittal, and so we live another day to fight for justice for Breonna.
Despite their determination, Baker admits a hung jury wasn't the outcome family members were hoping for. The jury first said they were deadlocked in the early afternoon, but even after federal judge Rebecca Grady Jennings instructed them to continue deliberations, she says the court's guards reported, quote, elevated voices coming from the jury's room.
Trying to figure out what happens. Emotions can get high. That's just part of deliberations. But it does show the seriousness that the jury did put within this case.
Ultimately, jurors said they couldn't honestly and reasonably reach a verdict. They were stuck on both of the civil rights violations facing Hankison.
We did not receive any information on how they were split. They did ask for that information. I do not know if they were given that information, but as I stand here before you, I do not know the split.
Baker adds the jury's makeup could have played a role. There were 6 men, 6 women, and only 1 juror was black. A jury agreed upon by both the defense and prosecution.
The Western District is made up of more than just Louisville, and so we recognize that. But hopefully on the next trial, the jury does reflect the diversity of this city.
When asked if federal prosecutors will retry the case, a DOJ spokesperson told ABC News the Department of Justice is actively considering all of our available options. A hearing is set for December 13th to determine if the federal government will trial Brett Hankison all over again.